spotlights ballyhoo. It's time you found up, we're here to shout up, we're so glad, very glad that you're you. For that! That's right, Charlie Brown. And now, let's strike while the iron is hot as we dive into this book of your life. Ooh. Well, thank you, Loretta. Let's hear it for Loretta. From your humble beginnings all the way back to the first grade to the well-adjusted third grader we know and love, Charlie Brown has been a Little League coach, stage director, cooked a Thanksgiving dinner for 7-7, oh my. Attempted to kick a football more times than he cares to count, and once got a rock. A rock? Is that right, a rock? Okay, it's a rock. I am so sorry. But his life changed forever after a visit to the Daisy Hill Puppy Farm, where he met a certain beagle that we'll all meet later.
It's so great to be here with you. And you know, Charlie Brown, we're in a club, you and me. A little club I like to call the Mutual Admiration Society. Hit it, maestro! We belong to a Mutual Admiration Society. My buddy Eddie.
Oh, I gave it away! Hi, Chuck. What's up? Care to kick the football, Charlie Brown?
That's my sister Sally, and Peppermint Patty, and, Lucy Van Pelt.
That's right, Charlie Brown. Please welcome to the stage, Sally, Peppermint Patty, and Lucy! Oh, aren't they adorable?
Sound excited.
Oh, so many friends. But we're not done yet. Here's another piece of your friendship puzzle.
Hey, Charlie Brown, it's me, Franklin. Oops, was I not supposed to say my name?
That's right, Charlie Brown. It's your good friend, Franklin.
Oh, wow! Hi there, Franklin. It's good to see you all. Your friendship means the world to me.
You boys are determined to make me cry. And it just might. I think that calls for another song. Hit it.
If you ever feel so happy you land in jail, I'm your bail. It's friendship, friendship, just the perfect friendship. Without a religion to make me stop. Heart to silly, if you're ever down a well, ring my bell.
If you ever catch on fire, send a wire. If you ever lose your teeth when you're out to dine, borrow mine.
It's friendship, friendship, just the perfect friendship. Without our friendship to cease to show. Ours will still be a lot.
I sure love you, boys. I love all of you. You're the best friends a guy could ever have.
Oh, now I am crying. Tell us, Charlie Brown, in your own words, how does this celebration of your life make you feel?
On a wonderful day like today, I defy any cloud to appear in the sky. Dare any raindrop to fall in my eye. On a wonderful day like today.
Let's together up to that!
Like this, make the kids, everybody. We're so full of love and goodwill. Let us escape from the war. We adore everybody. To come and drive the precious life, and we will be the
You're kind and caring, the best is sharing. It's time we have found out we're here to shout out for the God. Very God.
Hey, thanks, Charlie Brown. And hey, thanks for letting your dog Snoopy. I'm sorry. I mean, Dog Lennon. Live out his rock and roll fantasies. Way up here on this rooftop, anybody could be a rock star. Even you, Charlie Brown.
Oh, I don't think I could ever be a real rock star. I don't think I have that certain it factor.
Charlie Brown, you've got all the it factor, my friend. All you need are some funky clothes, some cool clothes, and a whole lot of practice. Cause I'm gonna tell you, my friend, you can walk the walk, you can talk the talk. While the man sings in the middle, go ahead and sway with the king of this. Oh, that's not quite it, but not to worry, buddy. Let's watch it run. Down, listen, I'm Charlie Brown. Johnny's got to show you the way. Before you run, gotta dance, how to dress up that way. How to play on the town, got to prove the boy I say. Okay, Charlie Brown, it's your turn. Let her rip.
You're the real Fido Mercury. If you're the real Fido Mercury, where is your mustache? That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
Another one bites the dust, huh? Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust. Hey, I'm gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Ladies and gentlemen,
Don't even think about it, Beagle Breath.
Hey, Lucy, look, it's Schroeder!
Where? Good grief, not again!
Let me see you shake your tail feather.